But what I'm always saying is you need to study your keywords. If it's for putting it on the pictures, or if it's for putting into the listing, you need to study them. It's not enough to pull up a Helium 10 and put the first layer out and throw them all over the listing and on your pictures. So pictures have their keywords, and the listings have their keywords. So what we usually doing is we pull these keywords out with a 3-layer technique. So we really going deep, depending on the country. Depending, US is a bit different as in the European Union, because in the European Union we can get even more geo-specific, which for the US we cannot. Then we would put these keywords on the pictures. Now, for every picture, it's very important that you have that you put the right keywords on the picture. So, for example, at the same time, the picture, in order to pull these keywords, or in order to be as well accepted, because obviously Amazon Amazon can read pictures as well, and not the text on it, but the picture itself. So the algorithm is putting this into consideration. So if you have, you should try to put keywords which make sense under the picture. That's how far I'm already thinking. Maybe it's not the case yet, 100%, but the machines are learning. We are learning, and I think we should look into the future to really adapt to the machines what they can have. So we put these keywords under the photos. We adapt the photos to the different countries. So, for example, you have in the UAE, you for a product which is for the UAE locals, you should have you should have another picture as for the US population, or maybe even for the European population. There is France and Germany, which most of the time has a similar culture. Then when you have Spain or Italy, where the pictures are different, or they don't need to be different, but there's products where it's recommended to have them differently in order to actually speak to different customer segments. This is my take on the pictures, the images, and the keywords. I mean, all of this, just 1 second, sorry. All of this is super important because most of the time these images are ranking immediately. So you will have them on Google. I know some people don't agree with that they will as well come up on Google if you search them. They will come up on Amazon instantly when you type the keyword, and not obviously not the pictures, the whole listing. So make sure that you really put them in correctly.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.